Hello everybody, my name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we have our Ipsy Ultimate box for the month of August. This does come out quarterly. It is 8 full-size items, and we're giving away one of the items to one of you, so keep on watching. I want to say welcome to everybody, especially anybody new here checking us out. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of August. It is a Natasha Deanna palette, you guys. It is the Rose and Wood palette. This one is mine. I am giving away a brand new one to one of you guys. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the video in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload, definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. Now, as far as what is on my eyes today, it is from Alamar Cosmetics. It is the Princessia del Caribe palette. And I kind of have those 4 shades on my eyes today. So what Ipsy says about this month's box is, in a world that moves fast, fall is your cue to slow down. Yes, please. Discover a curated collection of skin-first formulas, indulgent textures, and elevated color, each designed to feel as good as it performs. I'm excited about this one. This is the Merit Shade Slick Gelée Tinted Lip Oil in Les Deux. It is a sheer pink. And look how pretty that is. So it retails for $24. It is 0.23 ounces. It is a 4-star product. The sheer cushion formula gives your lips a better finish. Blooming pigments work with your natural pH and color to create a subtle stain that looks a little different on everyone. Plus, the plant-derived squalene and quinoa seed oil helps restore your lips and natural suppleness and protect you against environmental aggressors. I already have lip products on, or else we could see that little natural stain, but this looks really cute. From Makeup by Mario is a Master Mascara in Super Black. I've heard really good things about this mascara. So this obviously is full size, 13.5 millimeters. It is a 4-star product. It does retail for $28. Perfected by Mario after 25 years of artistry, this volumizing mascara features a first-to-market brush with custom-shaped bristles that evenly coats lashes for buildable volume, doesn't clump or smudge. It's flake-resistant and long-wearing. It's also sweat and humidity-proof. Right now I could use the sweat proof. From Beauty Bio's a Swipe and Glow Peel Pads. There are 50 of them in here. It is a 4.1 stars, retails for $45. And simplify your skincare routine with these multitasking, multi-acid peel pads that help clarify, exfoliate, and brighten in just one swipe. Featuring AHA, BHA, and PHA acids, these pads target the dullness, fine lines, and enlarged pores to help leave skin ready to glow. From Mutha is an Up All Night Eye Cream. It's 15 millimeters, does retail for $90. It is 4.5 stars. Look how pretty she looks. I love this color. Up All Night Eye Cream is a velvety, rich, lightweight formula that helps reduce the look of fatigue for brighter, wide-awake eyes. Pearl powder, coffee seed, and botanical extracts enhance radiance to help diminish the appearance of dark circles, featuring bio-fermented Mutha Load Care Technology to support skin resilience. It's also 95% natural and dermatology and allergy tested. From Sagawan is a hair repair treatment mask. Look how big this thing is, you guys. So it's 220 milliliters. It is 4.2 stars, retails for $39. Formulated with high concentrate of the brand's ocean silk technology from natural marine botanicals, the treatment is developed to deliver intensive care and hydration. It promotes resilience, vitality, and improves smoothness and manageability to demand and stressed out hair. This is kind of interesting. So this is from Indie Lee. It's a stem cell serum. It is 1 ounce. It's 4.5 stars. Retails for $135. The power of plant stem cells meets hardworking botanicals. Plant stem cells from Echinacea scintilla azteca, also known as tiger grass, and Swiss apple help to reduce the appearance of fine lines, boost skin plumpness. Niacinamide helps to combat a lackluster complexion and promotes even skin tone, while sodium hyaluronate and rose flower water leave skin hydrated and supple. From Kors, you guys, is the Kaima de Toilette. It is full size, 60 millimeters. It is 4.3 stars. Retails for $68. The fresh scent of the salty wind on the boat. The splashes on your face, escaping the city. Find your signature scent with this apothecary fragrance, free from botanically harmful PCM, sulfates, and nitro musk. Perfect to wear on its own or layered with any of your luxurious body care formulas. So the top notes are lime, mandarin, orange. The heart notes are marine, watery, pepper. The base notes are cedar, vetiver, and nutmeg. Sealed. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet, so just kind of keeping it there. The last thing in here is from Ari. It is their Goodnight Gray. It's full size, 40 millimeters. It is 3.8 stars. Retails for $58. The overnight scalp treatment is designed to support aging hair during sleep, formulated to work with the scalp's circular rhythm. It's help stiffen against stress-related damage, support melanin production, and strengthen follicles. With consistently nightly use, your hair appears fuller, healthier, and more resilient over time. So what do you guys think about the box? Here are my thoughts. I was really happy with the last couple Ultimates. This one is not my favorite. I wish there was more makeup in it. I wish there was like an expensive eyeshadow palette in it. Let's do some expensive blushes. It's the Ultimate box. We need some expensive stuff and not just all skincare and hair care. There was the Mirror Oil and the mascara. What were your guys' thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. For most of you, summer break is coming to a close. My son is just starting his summer break because he's in graduate school. He only gets 3 weeks, but he's coming home tomorrow, and I'm so happy to see him. So secret word of the day is summer break. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel, as well as that secret word. Now, you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entry items. But only mark on it if you actually did, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your first way is if you follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, AMA followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you share the video with your family and friends, social media accounts. Really helps the channel grow, and I wanted to reward you guys and say thank you so much for doing that. YouTube is no way the only way I did with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You best be 18 years old or older, or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible over duties, taxes, tariffs, lost and transit damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Also, if something happens in the mail and it's damaged, I'm not responsible for that either. It'll leave here in pristine condition. Let's have the giveaway goes through September 11th at midnight Mountain Standard Time. What are we giving away? Oh, that might help. Let's do that Afro Good Night Gray at nighttime scalp serum. My hair is fine and full and everything like that, so let's give that one away to one of you guys. So the giveaway will go through September 11th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then after that, what I'll do is everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing. I'll put the names into the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks, I don't, so Dawn has to win. Then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share it. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like the giveaway, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day, you guys. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.